our historians were engaged only around dates, but in a new or modern approach of under a new or modern approach of history. The scope of history, the scope of history has been extended. Has been extended. History is not demarcated under date lines, but reality is history is extended in today history is extended toward unlimited surroundings. Next, periodization of Indian history. After establishing British rule in our country, many British historians tried to periodization of Indian history. One of them, James Mill, a British historian, tried to periodization of Indian history. But his periodization was full of error. He periodized Indian history on the basis of religion against pre-periodization of Indian history. According to his views, Indian history was classified into three periods. First, Hindu period, from earlier to 11th century, known as or termed as Hindu period. And next, from after 11th century to 18th century, known as Muslim period, because in those periods our country was being ruled by Muslim rulers. They established Islamic culture also, or they impose Islamic culture also on our country. So this point of view, James Mill considered that period as Muslim period. Next, after Muslim period, James Mill, after 18th century onward और आगे की अवधि को जेम्स मिल ने ब्रिटिश पीरियड कहा. British period, because in this period or after 18th century, our country was being ruled by the British. But other historians rejected the view of James Mill regarding feudalization of Indian history. लेकिन बाद के जो इतिहासकार जो थे, जो जेम्स मिल का जो feudalization था उसको वो रिजेक्ट कर, और इन दिस वे most historian, Indian historian and foreign historian also, they divided Indian history into three periods: ancient, medieval and modern period. And this classification or feudalization of history is really more effective or more important. They said also about feudalization that Indian history cannot be feudalized on the basis of religion, because religion is not only a determining element regarding feudalization. उन इतिहासकारों का कहना है कि काल के निर्धारण में एकमात्र रिलीजन फैक्टर ही प्रभावी नहीं होता है। रिगार्डिंग feudalization of Indian history, religion is not only effective, regarding feudalization of Indian history, other factors or elements are also responsible for feudalization. Next, colonialism. According to historian, the British period is considered as colonialism period. Here colonialism is a ruling strategy under which if any country capture another country and the stronger country impose its political and economical domination on that big country, and big country being exploited politically, economically, culturally also. So in this condition is known as colonialism. यदि कोई कंट्री स्पेशली शक्तिशाली देश किसी कमजोर देश पर अपना कब्जा जमाता है, अधिपत्य जमाता है, और उसके बाद जब उस कंट्री का आर्थिक, राजनीतिक और सांस्कृतिक तौर पर उसका शोषण करता है, तो इस तरीका को, मेथड को, स्ट्रेटजी को कॉलोनियलिज्म कहा जाता है, उपनिवेशवाद का। सो इन दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू our country was also a colonized country before 1947. 1947 ईस्वी के पहले हमारा देश भारत भी एक कॉलोनाइज्ड कंट्री था। सोर्स ऑफ कॉलोनियल हिस्ट्री, colonial period, we take help through different measures. That time British government issued various of type of reports, maps, letters and memos